So hey guys, this is Heidi, this is Los Heidi, and today we are in Medellin. We are in Cerro Nutibara, where is located Pueblito Paisa. So what I'm supposed to do today, like I'm gonna guide you to really traditional town, or at least it's a replica of what was the Pueblito Paisa, what it means, a small town. And this small town is very interesting because it was founded in 1978. So this is the kind of traditional like cities or small town that you're gonna find in the whole region of Antioquia. So right now I just step out of the car. I'm just about to go to the place. So if you're coming here with a car, you are more than welcome just to park here. So you're gonna find a lot of nice places to stay, to park. Yeah, so let's go with me because we're about just to go that way up. See you in a while. Okay, so we're about to take the steps, the stairs, sorry, and yeah, I think it's like a 5 minutes, 10-minute walk, and from here we're gonna arrive to Cerro Nutibara or Pueblito Paisa. So let's go. And again, we're doing stairs. So guys, this is actually the hike. It's not that long from the park spot to here. And yeah, what I like from here is that today is actually Sunday, and you can see like there's a lot of nature in there. You can come here with your boyfriend, girlfriend. You know, it's a really nice spot. If you wanna come, if you guys want to do some picnic, you can see like in those little houses, you can do something. So yeah, why not? Okay, so it seems this is gonna take me more than normal. Guys, so I'm just on my way to Pueblito Paisa, and you can see the city in there. As I said last time, this is a valley, and a valley means like, you know, in the middle you're gonna find Medellin. So it's completely surrounded by mountains. So that's what I want to show you here. By the way, because so far I can show you like I want, but it's really nice. Like I have been here a couple of times, and every time I come here, like, you know, you feel a really nice good vibe. I don't know, it's just a nice place to enjoy Sundays and to do something different. Look from there, so you gotta see there. I don't know if you can see the mountains, but yeah, there's a lot of nature. A lot of families just walking around, going with the babies and doing what they want to do, you know, just to enjoy the Sunday. But it's really, and I mean, just the only reason what I want to show you why I'm coming here is just because whenever you come in here, Antioquia, or at least this department, is full of, you know, small towns. And those small towns mean that all of them have more or less the same structure. Last time I said to you guys that there is like this Spanish architecture, and the Spanish architecture you're gonna see it in every small town. So guys, we just arrived here. So as you can see, this is the Pueblito Paisa, and today there is a lot of people around. Look at this. You can see there is even buses coming here. Look what we are about to see. This is actually everything in Medellin, or not in Medellin. No, this is Antioquia. So what are we going to do here? So look, this is the nice tour. I just want to take you because you know this place is so chill, so calm, just to come here and stay here and you know for relax. Look at this. This is actually where we're gonna get. Let me just walk around and show you a little bit more. And look at this. So here, if you want to come and find traditional stuff, you're definitely gonna find it in here. Look at this, there are tons of people in here. Yeah, you can see, you know, like the colorful, the houses, they are really old. And I mean, like this structure is what you're gonna get in different towns. So look at that, this is supposed to be the church. And again, we're gonna find nice and tasty fruit. This is what I enjoy because actually I'm a little bit hungry today. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this church. And today it's kind of closed. I don't know why. But this is Pueblito Paisa. And you know, it's like very, very touristic place. So guys, I highly recommend it. You should just definitely come. Just let me check what I can find around. If I can eat something or find something to eat that I can recommend to you. So let me just try to find something. Actually, today is very sunny, very nice. I really enjoy it. I don't know, like today is so sunny. I just want to eat ice cream, just see it and you know, watch the landscape. You can see children's playing, parents coming here. Oh my gosh, and look at that view. Look at that view. This was exactly what I wanted to show you. So this is a restaurant and for sure you're gonna find like traditional food, like really, really traditional and typical dishes. Look at that. Look at that view. We're going there. So, and again, as I say, you're gonna find here like the mountains, and in the mountains is where it's located, this crazy city. So look at that. Actually looks like a little bit like Brazil, I would say. Now when you're going in. Look at that. This is just awesome, beautiful. I really like it. I really enjoy it. And I think I'm just going to grab something to eat. So let me find something and we're gonna see again in a moment. Hey guys. So now I just, you know, finished my tour because this was something just to hang out here a little bit just for a couple of minutes, or if you want to stay here an hour or two, like you can come eat something, just chill, enjoy the environment. It's really, really nice. So for example, in my case, I feel like, you know, it's like there's a lot of nature in here, so you're gonna find like couple of stuff to do. What I want to say, like for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please just go subscribe. Like I'm new on this journey about doing YouTube, but I'm looking forward just, you know, to keep you update about what you can do here in Colombia when you are staying here. For example, you know, just traveling the country, like giving you some advices and all of that. So guys, just please go subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you know, I'm just gonna be showing you a little bit around, just letting you with a view here. Because there is a viewpoint here, so I'm just gonna show you, and I'm heading there. Like unfortunately I just grabbed something to eat, but I was extremely hungry and I couldn't, you know, I just, when you're that hungry and I couldn't just show you like, okay, I want to what I was eating, so just eat it like all and just forgot. But anyway, so I was eating just empanadas. Guys, this is the place where I was eating, and yeah, I'm gonna try to make some pictures here before the rain comes. Look at this. So highly recommend place. You're gonna spend less than $10 by coming here. Maybe a taxi if you're taking a taxi, but if you're coming here and just want to grab some lunch, like prices are for 37, 28 or 25,000 pesos. That means like you don't have to spend that much money, but you're gonna get a lot of food, like drink different kind of drinks and everything. So just enjoy. Until the next time, bye. Okay guys, so yeah, I want just to do this little chapter because I want just to thankful for everything that you have been supporting this channel. I know I started this from like since January, like 1st January. And what I want to say is that thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you because I have been growing. Like it's not like crazy. Like I have like 10,000 subscribers or something like that. But I must say thank you, and thank you for those people who are watching my content. Thank you because you have been, like just keep on pushing me on what I have been doing. So first thing I want to say is like my channel now is just got the, well, I think it got the approval of YouTube partners, so that means that I'm gonna start monetizing, and that makes me feel really, really happy because I'm gonna be doing like, like these kind of videos. I'm gonna just be trying to improve my videos, my content, and it's gonna be like a support. So I just wanna bring you like better content and do maybe collaborations in the future with other YouTubers, and maybe just keep on traveling. So I really wanna, for the moment, just keep on traveling, showing you more stuffs, and yeah, doing what I want. So I want to thank first maybe Marwa, because he was the one giving me the idea and pushing me just to do it. I also want to thank my community because you guys are always asking questions. You are bringing me like really, really nice words, and just, keep on doing that. So far I have like 2,700 subscribers, and after that, like, like it's growing, and now my channel just, it's gonna start monetizing. So I just want to do this special, like, you always need to be thankful. So that's what I'm doing here, and I feel very happy and very excited for what's coming. So I just keep looking into the future, and I don't know, just I want to say thank you for all those subscribers and yeah, the community. So that's all. No sé qué más decir.